Alright, so this is the demo of the circuit. So we're set up in our standard test field, and I'm going to start the motors, make sure we're all set up and the GPS is right, become airborne to hover height, which will be looking through the aircraft to the horizon, and then I'm going to manoeuvre to the start of the runway in normal orientation to get ready for the start of our circuit. So we need to be over the cone. Now I'm going to rotate the aircraft clockwise so that it's lined up in the runway direction. I'll be looking diagonally through the legs of the aircraft at this point. So we adjust the height. Okay, so I'm looking diagonally through the legs of the aircraft, and we're lined up with the runway, and I'm ready to start. So we're going to move forwards, just straight forwards in this case, and we're holding our runway centre line. We move at a constant speed through this whole exercise. And then at the end cone we're going to go up at a 45-degree angle to about the 15-metre mark, which is about there. And I'm going to turn left while still flying forwards. I'm looking for my cone and the alignment of the aircraft with the cone now. I'll make another left turn and fly forwards again. This leg's the downwind leg, and it's going to make us parallel to the circuit pattern itself. As we come past the centre, I can check looking directly across my legs and make an adjustment there if I need. Now I'm looking diagonally through my left-hand pink cone for another left turn, and completing that turn I should look diagonally through the legs of the aircraft again. Judge this final turn so that we end up in line with the runway on the final leg, and we descend so that we're in line with the runway where we started, and we'll come to a stop in front of the pilot, and that finishes our circuit. Okay, back around and land where we took off from. And that's the completion of a left-hand circuit.